What? This camera?
This is the camera that I'll be shooting you with.
No, you're not.
Are we lying to her? We're kind of lying. Today, the model has no idea that we're not using my DSLR to do the photo shoot, but rather we're shooting with a slice of cheese. Literally a slice of cheese, not a real slice of cheese, but like a camera, a cheese camera. She's making her way here right now, but she has no idea. I'm just gonna act natural. We're not doing anything here. We're just, we are. We're doing everything that you think that we're gonna do. I'm terrible at this, someone help me. You put a lot of effort into this.
Really?
Yeah.
This is so last minute.
I could say the same. Oh my God, you know what, I forgot. Could you grab, I have this like pouch in my backpack. Could you grab it, please? And then can you like open it? We have this something a little special that we're gonna use in today's photo shoot. Do you wanna open it?
Scared. What? This camera? A cheese camera? What is it?
I'm actually not using this today. I'm gonna put that down there because this is the camera that I'll be shooting you with.
No, you're not. Are you serious?
Yeah.
What is that?
It's a cheese camera. It's a slice of cheese.
Oh my goodness.
What do you think?
I'm
hold
scared, but I trust in your ability. But I'm so confused as well.
It
Wait,
works.
Are you serious?
Yes.
You have to like get them developed?
So it uses a micro SD card. She's so cute.
Okay. I like this. My first impression of the cheese camera, no words. Honestly, complete shock, but I expect nothing less from Jessica. Like, I'm sorry.
What do you think the quality is on that?
I don't feel confident in it, but again, I trust you. My confidence is in you, not the camera, so I think it's gonna be good. Like, she didn't tell me what we were doing today, so it caught me off guard for sure. But I'm excited. I thought it was a ring. I thought you got me a ring. I really did.
Let's get started. Let me turn it on. Let me get it set up. Let me get the files set up and the settings and everything.
I don't know if this is gonna be good. I'm really excited to see, but it's just so hard to trust that this, like, it's as big as my thumb. Smaller than my thumb. I don't know if it's gonna be good. I don't think so. I think I turned it on. Oh, I did turn it on.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Is it
The
on?
light on.
It is. The DSC Peony Cheese camera. This camera is 1.3 megapixels. It records sound and it records video too. So it has 3 modes and it's operated by just pressing the on and off button and pressing the mode. This camera uses a micro SD card, which is found on this slot on the side of the camera right here. You know what's great? I don't have to hold my big camera anymore. I just hold this.
No more backseat.
All right, 5 minutes. The tricky part is this light is so small. I don't know. Let me see, hold on. I guess I just did it.
Uh-oh.
I just took the picture. Now, this is gonna be the most lightweight camera that I've ever used. Should I actually look through the viewfinder? I feel like it's not gonna make any difference.
Yeah, I don't think it makes a difference.
Should I just freestyle it like this? You know those photographers that are like this? Yeah. No, we're gonna take this seriously. This was very difficult to shoot with because I had no idea what I'm taking a picture of. I don't even know if Ali was in the pictures at all. She could very well not be in any of the pictures. So let's do the first one. Let's have your hand right here. Yeah, so the problem is that it does a little flash. The light is on continuously. I don't know if that's a good thing. I don't even know if the camera was on during the photo shoot. Is it on? I probably should have checked that before I started taking pictures.
It is on.
It's so bright that I can't see if it's taking the photo. Okay, stay in that pose. That pose is amazing. Hopefully this is capturing that. You look good either way. Okay, I'm gonna do one of these. I feel like we gotta get those low angles, right? This better be accurate, this viewfinder. It's a cute little window, you know, I feel like it has some purpose. We're gonna get creative now. We're gonna get creative. I'm gonna shoot through this. All right. Oh, these are gonna turn out so good. Let's have you right here. Okay, let's do some portraits. I literally see like this section of your face only. I thought it was a lot easier to shoot with this cheese camera versus my regular DSLR because this is very lightweight. So one good thing is that it weighs nothing. We have 1 minute and 50 seconds left. How? Let's have you in the middle of this. Oh, like it's like football when you have to like tackle people. All right, here we go. Right there, yes. Beautiful, hopefully this turns out. The theme of this photo shoot is hopefully we get something. Gorgeous, yes. Oh my God, amazing. Try to get some different shots. Yeah, that's cute, that's cute. Yeah, good. Okay, let me get like a wider shot. Somehow. So in looking in the viewfinder, I'm trying to frame it. I don't know if what I'm actually seeing is gonna, look at this stance right here.
Jessica looked very funny in the nicest way. Jessica looked so funny taking pictures with the cheese camera and just getting in all of the angles and bending down. It was hilarious.
Okay, yeah, that's cute. Okay, let me get like a further away shot. Oh my God, these are really cute. We have a bunch of flowers. This will be our last shot.
It's actually really pretty.
Yeah, take it. No, not for the cheese camera. I feel like that's too much effort. Right there, it's not worth it. Okay, we'll do a few of these. The only thing I was thinking of when I was taking pictures on this camera is, man, I wish I was actually shooting this on my DSLR. This is a good shot. The light is really pretty right now. Oh my God, I should have flipped the camera. See, I've been shooting it like this. That's one thing that you can do, just flip the cheese. The cheese camera is less of a liability. I don't need insurance on it. No one's gonna try to rob me of this camera. I don't even want it, so why would anyone else want it? It's cheese. What if they're lactose intolerant? Definitely not gonna want this camera. Okay, one of these has to be decent, right? That's not what you want to hear during the photo shoot. Oh, please, is it still on? This could be off for all I know, and I'm just pressing the button. Just pressing the button. I'm gonna call it. We got it. This is all we need.
If those turn out good, it's my new profile picture for life, just because of the shot on the cheese camera. If the pictures end up being good, then I owe Jessica a lot of apologies. Okay guys, Jessica just sent me the photos from the cheese pictures, or from the cheese camera. My reaction, live. What? Stop, okay wait, it's actually like kind of cute though. But wait, it's such bad quality, but like I live for these kind of photos. This one looks, I look great in that. This is hilarious. That's not even me. Oh my gosh. I think it was a success. I'm excited though.
I'm excited too. I feel like we did a good job. And if anything, I got to see you.
Yeah. Jessica, that was so sweet.
I really mean that, honestly. It's been too long.
Yes, it really has.
It's been too long. Since I haven't seen your face, I'm trying to be strong.
I don't know this song.
But the strength I have is washing away. Let us know what you guys think of the final photos from this cheese camera. Was it what you expected? Leave your thoughts in the comments. Thank you so much, Alia, for standing in to be photographed by a cheese camera, a slice of cheese.
Thank you.
Was it everything you hoped and more?
Yes, I can sleep soundly now. I shot with cheese.
Little micro SD. And then, I lost the card. It like flew out. I'm not kidding. Really? It literally flew out. Oh my God. Oh, it's right here. It's right here. Oh my God. It literally flew. I was just.
Our cheese. Our Jimny. Our Jimny.
Yo, that flew out like a rocket ship. Oh my God. This camera is very unstable. So I think I'm done talking about what this does. Okay, it literally like ejected itself out of this camera.